What if charging an electric vehicle took just a few minutes? What if you could refuel in minutes instead of hours? Today, one of the biggest challenges with electric vehicles is charging time. Even fast chargers can take significant time, limiting convenience and adoption. But what if we could completely rethink how EVs are powered? This is where the concept of charged electrolyte technology comes in. In this concept, the battery uses an electrolyte-based energy storage system. Instead of charging electrically, the depleted electrolyte is replaced with a fully energized one. This allows for instantaneous energy transfer, bypassing the limits of traditional lithium-ion charging. Power is restored as fast as the liquid can flow. This works similar to refueling a petrol car, but instead of fuel, the vehicle receives charged electrolyte. It's the familiarity of a pit stop, combined with the power of clean energy. At an electrolyte refill station, the vehicle connects to an automated system. A robotic mechanism drains the used electrolyte and replaces it with a charged solution. This entire process can take just a few minutes, ready for hundreds of miles of travel, almost instantly. The used electrolyte is not discarded. It is collected, recharged using electricity from solar and grid energy, and reused. This creates a closed-loop energy system. Minimal waste, maximum efficiency. A sustainable cycle for the planet, powered by the very sun and wind that sustain us. With advanced materials and optimized chemistry, this system could improve efficiency and reduce dependency on long charging cycles. We're pushing the boundaries of what chemical energy storage can achieve, simulating the future of energy transport in real time. The hardware is ready. The chemistry is evolving. It could reduce charging congestion, improve turnaround time, and make EV usage more practical for long-distance travel. Efficiency isn't just a luxury. It's the foundation of a new mobile economy. Freedom to roam, without the wait. In the future, electrolyte refill stations could become as common as fuel stations, creating a new kind of energy infrastructure that scales with our needs, transforming the legacy of oil into the promise of electrons, a network that never sleeps, powering a world that never stops. Technologies like this could redefine electric mobility, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone. The future of refueling isn't just about cars. It's about how we power our lives. The era of the minutes-long charge is just beginning. Welcome to the future.